Greetings, and thank you for joining us once again. We are out on the East Coast to check up on the progress at the new Tennessee Titan football stadium under construction in downtown Nashville, Tennessee. This stadium will be replacing the current Nissan Stadium beginning in 2027. The 60,000-seat stadium is projected to cost $2.1 billion, $1.26 billion of which is subsidized by the public. It is by far the largest stadium subsidy in U.S. history. The new structure is to be built adjacent to the existing Nissan Stadium, which will be demolished following the completion of the new facility. The stadium will be designed by Manica Architecture, who previously designed Allegiant Stadium, NRG Stadium, and Wembley Stadium. The existing Nissan Stadium is an open-air concrete and steel structure which seats 69,000 and has served as the home venue for the Tennessee Titans since its opening in 1999. The city of Nashville hired an independent group, Venue Solutions Group, VSG, to conduct a thorough assessment of the current stadium's condition and the cost of maintaining it for the remainder of the lease, which ends in 2039. VSG outlined a preliminary report showing it would cost the city between $1.75 and $1.95 billion to renovate Nissan Stadium as a first-class facility. After lengthy discussion, which included rigorous and sometimes heated input from the community, the financing program was confirmed by a 25-11 vote on April 25, 2023. Construction began on February 29, 2024, and opening day is set for the 2027 NFL season. The $2.1 billion needed to fund the new stadium will come from a variety of sources. $840 million from the team, $500 million from the state of Tennessee, $760 million from revenue bonds issued by the Metro Sports Authority to be repaid via personal seat license sales and taxes collected at the stadium, and additional money from a new 1% hotel-motel tax. As you might imagine, the new taxes were less than popular given all the other priorities in the state. The 1.7 million square foot proposed stadium would be a dome, have a seating capacity of 55,000 to 60,000, have approximately 170 luxury suites, and an artificial turf field. The Titans would sign a 30-year lease to play in the stadium. Nashville, often known as Music City, is the capital and most populous city in the state of Tennessee. Located in Middle Tennessee, it has a population of 689,447 as of the 2020 U.S. Census. Nashville is the 21st most populous city in the United States and the 4th most populous city in the southeastern U.S. Located on the Cumberland River, the city is the center of the Nashville metropolitan area and is one of the fastest-growing cities in the nation. So, the addition of a world-class sports and entertainment facility is easily justifiable. This multi-use facility will host large events with its approximately 1.8 million square feet. This venue will offer exceptional views for everyone, and you can leave your raincoat at home, as the enclosed, translucent roof will have you covered. If the weather is on your side, you can take advantage of exterior terraces and porches, complete with panoramic views of this beautiful city. This structure is about more than competition or high-octane fun. It's about community. It is being built with high-tech, sustainable materials, and the facility is designed to minimize waste and preserve energy and water. It will host events year-round to bring Nashville together. That's what it's all about. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. This is going to be a fast-moving project, and we will be documenting the entire journey. I have no doubt it will be an incredible transformation from what we see today to the final facility ready for game day. Also, we will be closely following the demolition of the old stadium. And while that may be a little sad to watch, it is always incredible to see how these types of structures are disassembled and cleared out. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our content. Lastly, please leave us a comment. Your input is extremely valuable, and I read every comment. Thanks, and we'll see you again soon.